Favoritism at work. Is that discrimination? Hi everyone, I'm Lily Tunyan, an employment attorney here at Tunyan Law. Let's talk about something I hear all the time. Favoritism at work. You might wonder, my boss likes my coworker more than me. Is that discrimination? Here is what you need to know. Favoritism alone isn't illegal, even if it feels unfair. But if favoritism is based on race, gender, national origin, age, disability, or any other protected characteristic, that's discrimination and it's against the law. If you suspect illegal favoritism, document everything, dates, incidents, witnesses. Call us right away. Tunyan Law offers free and confidential consultations. Call 323-410-5050 and yes, hablamos español. Drop a comment if you'd like me to cover more workplace topics. Follow us for more.